end of a journey and the start of a new journey at the same time. We've been working for 5 years to achieve this moment, to present the Neue Klasse, where more or less everything is new. New technology clusters, new electric drivetrain with 800 kilometers reach. We have a completely new user interface, how the car is operated. So working on that is very exciting, not only for me, but for the whole team at BMW that's now standing here. Now the second part of the journey begins, where we present the car to the market. Starting today, you can order the car already. And that's an exciting time for us. And all the feedback we get here is very positive. So we are super excited.